Hello, welcome to my channel, Sarah Crafts It All. Today I will be working on winding some yarn balls from these really cool little twisty yarns, and you can even buy them in bundles. Online, any store they sell yarn, you can find anything there. So when you buy them, a good thing to know is they have little sections that hold them together. Some of them have ones that are with the same color string. So this one has both. This is probably the working yarn ends, and then this one is just a holder. You have to go through, find out which ones are which, and then you can snip the ones that are just for holding, and then when you get to the last ones, which will have your working yarn, that's where you be careful and make sure you got each one going each way, and then you can set it up on your winder and go. So let's get this cleaned up and get set up. Soft, very skinny string. Regular string. Absolutely loved. These ones are super ginormous. They seem like they have a very lot, and they're different sizes. This one's about a very skinny, and this one seems to be about a normal, like a 4 weight, maybe a 1 to 2 weight. Various sizes. So today I will be doing these two. I already have this one. I like to call it like a mint chocolate chip. It's like a lime green with really cool freckles of like browns and stuff. And then I will be doing this after. Let's get started. I'm going to turn this into this. Okay, got my scissors. Gonna unravel. You would find the ends. This one is just the loop. So you would find the other end, pull it right through, and let it untwist. And you can kind of see how it like opens. So you would find out like open away. So this one's got one here. I'm gonna find my main bundle, and it looks like this one here because it's got about 4 different strings here. So we've got 2 useless and 2 of my working yarn. So I will find which ones are the working. So this one, see how it goes all the way through there, so that's a good one. And then this one goes down through here, so that's another good one. So that means I can cut these 2 here. There's 2 little strings in here. And then these are the 2 end strings for your working yarn.
Lori, you go with me, or Matthew? Who go with me? You also, yeah.
So I like to, as I said, put mine on my spool before I cut my loops. But I do put the one with the working yarn in the front where I will be starting my project. Okay. Make sure everything is on in the middle. You don't want nothing hanging over. all your things are here. Okay, so these are the ones with the working yarn. I will be cutting the two bottom ones. And then these are just holder yarns, so if you cut them, it's not going to make any difference how. Just make sure you do not chop your actual strings, that's all. You just snip it, and you would slowly unwind it through. So this one has 3. And I just come over here, snip it, unwind it through, come back to my one with my 2 main working yarns, and then I will unwind this one, snip my working yarn. I like to tuck this one in, that way it's not flapping around while you're spinning. Now, I'm going to turn that into this nice, neat little either center pull, or you can do side pull with center pull, which you have double string. Either way, you can use that one. So, let me show you how to. First, you have to thread your little, see if I can get a good angle. So my trick is I go under and I wrap it, and now I'm through. But I'm sure it's not easy to see. There's a little circle right here, and you just go right through that, and that's your tension threader, and it keeps it nice and even. And then you will string your little strings through these 2 little slips here. That'll hold your center pull string. So if you want to do the center pull or the side pull, you will have that option thanks to that little thing there, which also helps because, holds it in place. So that's great too. Alright, let's start to get winding. Got my cards. Sarah Crafts It All. You can search me on Facebook. I will leave a link with that information. Alright, let's get winding. I like to kind of hold the center string for the first few times because it likes to flop all over the place and helps keep it so you won't lose it in the end. And then you just go. It doesn't really take too long. You could watch TV, listen to an audiobook, kind of anything to do with not having to use your hands. And sit back and relax. It doesn't take too long. It's pretty fast, depending on the size of your yarn that you're spooling and how much weight it has. It makes a difference. Might go faster the bigger the string, doesn't take so long. Skinny string takes quite a while because it's a lot more. And this one is already almost done. I'm just about halfway. And it makes stuff so much easier. You can do it by hand, which is not actually too difficult if you have someone to hold it for you, or you have a nice sturdy chair you can put it on, and then you just unwrap and go twist it. It's not going to be the same shape or anything, but it will come out into a ball if you wrap it diagonally, and then you would turn it, and then you would wrap it diagonally and turn it manually. The machine obviously does it for me, and this is what I get. This awesome little mint chocolate chip center pole or side string. You can do it from both ways. I can't say how much this machine is the coolest. I love it. It works really smoothly. It was a very good price, and that's how you make a yarn ball with your twisty strings. You can't use them until you spin them. I hope that helped. I hope you enjoyed. It was very fast, very simple. No complaints. Bye.